Bubble Robotics, founded in 2025, France. Robotics.
At Bubble Robotics, we are building the autonomous workforce for the ocean. Because we believe the ocean holds the keys to the biggest challenges of our century. It powers our energy, national security, food, and even climate stability. But here is the thing. While we've had rovers running autonomously on Mars for the past decade, at sea, robots barely last 1 day without a ship or a diver. Actually, one of the most deadliest jobs in the world. And so because of that, we've mapped the surface of Mars way better than on our own seafloor. And less than 1% of marine species have ever been observed. So trying to observe or to explore the ocean with ships and crews, it's sort of like trying to reach the moon with a hot air balloon. It doesn't really scale. So we need a new workforce, more automated and more persistent. And that's what Bubble is building. Our team built some of the craziest robots in the universe. Patricia, our CTO, built autonomous robots for Venus. Saverio, our systems lead, designed underwater snakes at NASA JPL. They're sending it to explore the ocean of Saturn's icy moons. And I'm Jean, the CEO. I've backed more than $40 million in deep tech venture capital deals and previously funded and scaled a climate startup. We're backed by European top-tier VCs, and together we're bringing space-grade robotics to the ocean. So let's take Chris, lead of operation at Ocean Winds, one of our first customers. He burns $3 million a year to check his subsea cables. Because of insurance and cost, he only gets there twice a year. And so most failures go unseen until it's usually too late. Chris is not alone. Over 1,500 offshore wind farms face the same situation. By 2030, ocean data acquisition will be a $100 billion problem across offshore industries. But the tools have been stuck in the 1970s. We're changing that. At Bubble Robotics, we're building the first constellation of fully autonomous robots observing the ocean every day. Picture fleets of fully autonomous robots operating at sea every day for years. No more ships, no more crew ever involved. So Chris used to spend $3 million for 2 blurry pictures a year and massive human risk. With us, we can get 24/7 eyes underwater, be actually more predictive, at half the price, and 70% margin for us. We already started making it happening. In our first 3 months, we cracked docking, underwater charging at 1/10 of the market price, and signed more than $4 million in offtake agreements with leading operators. But here is the real Bubble play. Every robot we deploy is sort of a data engine. Like an ocean satellite, they will stream the biggest multimodal ocean dataset in the world. Vision, sound, chemical, biological data, which are the foundation for predictive maintenance of underwater assets, submarine detection, or even reinforcement learning-based underwater manipulation. So by bringing physical AI to the seas, Bubble Robotics is going to build the autonomous workforce for the ocean.